Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are learn GK. So, today learn. Today we are learn GK revision. So, Unit 1, Part 1, Our Very Own Asia. Unit 1, Part 1, Our Very Own Asia. So, children, answer the following question to know the answer. Answer the following question, Unit 1. So, first, where is the Gobi Desert located? Where is the Gobi Desert located, children? So, answer is Mongolia. What is answer? Mongolia. Mongolia spelling Mangolia. Mongolia. Mongolia is the Gobi Desert located. Second one. Who was the first Asian to get a Nobel Prize in Science? Who was the first Asian to get a Nobel Prize in Science? So, answer will become Raman. Answer will become Raman. Raman spelling R-A-M-A-N. Raman. R-A-M-A-N. Third one. What is the combined land mass of Europe and Asia called? Europe and Asia called. That answer is Eurasia. So answer will become Eurasia. Eurasia spelling E-U-R-A-S-I-A. E-U-R-A-S-I-A. Eurasia. Fourth one, which country is considered as the largest economy in Asia? Which country is considered as the largest economy in Asia? So, what is answer, children? So, answer will become China. China spelling C-H-I-N-A. China. Fifth one, which is the longest river of Asia? Longest river of Asia. So, children, Yangtze River. Answer is Yangtze River, China. Yangtze spelling Y-A-N-G-T-Z-E. Yangtze. River spelling R-I-V-E-R. River. China. China spelling C-H-I-N-A. China. Next, Asia is subdivided into how many countries? So, 48 countries. How many countries? 48 countries. So, important question. Asia is subdivided 48 countries. Next, which three oceans bound Asia on the east, north and south respectively? So, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So, children, answer is Pacific Ocean. Pacific spelling P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific. Ocean spelling O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Indian Ocean. Indian spelling E-N-D-I-A-N. Indian. Ocean spelling O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic spelling A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic. Ocean spelling O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Next, which is the largest city in Asia by area? So, children, that answer is Beijing. B-E-I-J-I-N-G. Next, which Asian country is known as the land of golden fiber? So, which Asian country is known as the land of golden fiber? So, answer will become Bangladesh. Bangladesh spelling B-A-N-G. Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Next, what does SAARC stand for? SSARC full form. So S means south. S means south. South spelling SOUTH, south. A means Asian. ASIAN, Asian. A means association. Association spelling ASSO. CIANTION, association. R means regional. Regional, REGIONAL. And C means cooperation. COOPERATION. So SSARC full form means South Asian Association Regional Cooperation. So children, you have must understood. Next, Unit 2 Part 2. Unit 2 Part 2, Fairs and Festival. Fairs and Festivals revisions. So starts children. Fairs. Write down where the following fairs are located in India. So children start. Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela. So Kumbh Mela Allahabad. कुंभ मेला वो इलाहाबाद में है. कुंभ मेला कहाँ पे स्थित है? तो इलाहाबाद में. कुंभ मेला इलाहाबाद. ALLAHABAD इलाहाबाद. पूरी रथ यात्रा. तो पूरी रथ यात्रा वो ओडिशा में है. पूरी रथ यात्रा वो ओडिशा में. टर्नेटल मेला. टर्नेटल मेला गुजरात. टर्नेटल मेला स्वांसर इज गुजरात. सोनपुर मेला. सोनपुर मेला बिहार. सोनपुर मेला वो बिहार में. पुष्कर मेला. तो पुष्कर मेला राजस्थान में स्थित है. सो चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट फेस्टिवल्स. फेयर्स के बारे में हमने पढ़ लिया. अब फेस्टिवल के बारे में रिवीजन करते हैं. राइट डाउन वेयर द फॉलोइंग फेस्टिवल आर लोकेटेड इन इंडिया. So first one, फ्लॉट फेस्टिवल. सो चिल्ड्रन, फ्लॉट फेस्टिवल वो मदुराई में. वो कहाँ पे स्थित है? तो मदुराई में. काला घोड़ा आर्ट फेस्टिवल. काला घोड़ा आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल. सो काला घोड़ा आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल वो मुंबई में स्थित है. विंटेज कार फेस्टिवल. विंटेज कार फेस्टिवल लखनऊ. विंटेज कार फेस्टिवल इज लखनऊ. नेक्स्ट, सो चिल्ड्रन, choose the correct answer from the options below. So first is a tribal fair, which is also one of the largest swayamvars held in India. So टर्नेटल मेला ऑप्शन, 4 ऑप्शन यहाँ पर हमको दिए गए हैं. फर्स्ट है टर्नेटल मेला, सेकंड है पुष्कर मेला, थर्ड सोनपुर मेला और फोर्थ है कुंभ मेला. So children, answer will become Turnetal Mela. Answer Turnetal Mela, a tribal fair which is also one of the largest swayamvars held in India. वो Turnetal Mela में. Next, one of the biggest livestock fair in the world. Biggest livestock, यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शन हमको दिए गए हैं. So children, answer will become पुष्कर मेला. One of the biggest livestock. Biggest livestock वो पुष्कर मेला में. थर्ड वन, अ फेस्टिवल इन विच द गॉड एंड गॉडेस ऑफ द टेम्पल आर टेकन फॉर बोट राइड इन द सिटी लेक. सो आंसर विल बिकम फ्लॉट फेस्टिवल. फ्लॉट फेस्टिवल. नेक्स्ट, अ फेस्टिवल विच अट्रैक्ट्स अ लॉट ऑफ कार लवर्स across the country with some great vintage models on this. So car festival, car lovers. So vintage car festival. Answer will become vintage car festival. Next, the largest cattle fair in Asia, which is meant for the sale and the purchase of Persian livestock. Its main attraction is the sight of hundreds of elephants lined up the bank of river. Ganga of Sale. So answer Sonpur Mela. Answer is Sonpur Mela. Next, a 9-day festival arts, music and culture. 9-day festival of arts, music and culture. So answer will become Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. इसमें क्या आएगा आंसर? काला घोड़ा आर्ट फेस्टिवल. Next, the biggest gathering of humans on the planet at the particular place every 3 years. Hindus from all over the world come to take a dip in the holy river and hear sermons from the sadhus. So, sadhus, sermons from the sadhus. So, answer will become Kumbh Mela. Answer is Kumbh Mela. Next, 8. One of the biggest religious event of the year in the country, it sees our 2 million devotees near the Jagannath temple. 3 hug, temple shaped charities are pulled to the Gandicha temple and back to the Jagannath temple after 9 days. So, answer will become Puri Rath Yatra. So children, यूनिट 1 पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 आपको समझ आया होगा. तो चिल्ड्रन, हमने जो नोटबुक में ये पीडीएफ जो नोटबुक में लिखने के लिए भेजी थी, वो जो पीडीएफ है उसका रिवीजन आपको करना होगा. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.